In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Miro. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, Miro's versatile platform allows you to express your ideas visually with ease. So let's dive right in and learn how to get started on creating your masterpiece. First off, we need to head over to the Miro website. Simply open your web browser and type in miro.com. By taking this step, you're entering a powerful digital whiteboard platform designed to unleash your creativity and foster collaboration. Once you're on the home page, look for the login option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll need to log into your Miro account. You have the convenience of signing in using your email, or if you prefer, you can use your Google account. Simply choose the method that suits you best and follow the prompts to log in. If you've chosen to sign in with email, use your registered email address and password and hit the Continue with Email button. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, you'll see the boards you've been working on. Click on the board you want to work with, or if you're starting a new project, you can create a new board. This is your canvas where all your drawing and brainstorming takes place. Looking over to the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a toolbar housing various tools. For our purposes, click on the pencil icon. Miro provides a user-friendly interface, and this tool will become your drawing companion throughout this process. After clicking on the pencil icon, a set of options will appear, among which is the pen. Select the pen tool to start your drawing journey. One of the great features of Miro is the level of customization it offers. Not only can you select the pen tool, but you can also modify the thickness and color of your pen strokes. To do this, simply adjust the settings to fit your design needs. Whether it's a bold line to define a structure or a soft stroke for a sketch, Miro lets you control these aspects to match your artistic vision. Finally, it's time to let your creativity flow and start drawing. Use your mouse or touchscreen to bring your ideas to life. The intuitive interface of Miro supports smooth, natural lines as if you were drawing on paper. Experiment with different pen settings and add your unique flair to the board. And there you have it. You've learned how to navigate Miro's drawing tools and settings, setting you on the path to creating stunning visual content. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore and try out different techniques. Happy drawing, and see you in the next video.